My name is Rebecca, and this is a tutorial how to submit multiple documents simultaneously on Canvas using a Windows 10 operating system. Other operating systems may have other options. Access your My ASU. From here, you can choose your class or to click on Canvas directly. This will bring up your My Canvas dashboard, and you can choose the class you need to submit your assignments in. This brings up your module page, and you can scroll to the assignment that you need to submit. I will be using an assignment I have already submitted as an example of a final product. Click on Submit Assignment and click Choose File. This will bring up all your documents. Choose the document you need to upload and click Open. Underneath that file, you will see Add Another File. Click Choose File and select the second document that you need to upload. You can repeat this process as many times as you need and click the X to delete as you need. Once all your documents are uploaded, you can click Submit Assignment. Make sure to double check on your right-hand side to make sure all of the documents that you wanted to upload are there. It's a good idea to click on them and make sure that you did upload the correct document. This concludes our tutorial today on how to submit more than one assignment at the same time on Canvas.